Aí no final, do lugar do hotel, no bar, que eu sei que agora.
Yeah. You coming to the game on Sunday?
Yeah, we don't travel with the team.
She's lazy, Mom. You gotta toss it to her.
Can I see you when I get back?
Oh, you poor thing.
Good night, Annabelle.
Good night.
Oh. Oh, pillow.
What do you do here, John? You go for it, Pat. You have to. But Falco has been shut down by this defense all afternoon.
Yeah, well, I'll tell you this. All it takes is one big play to get it back in the ballgame.
And here goes Falco.
He's going to try and reverse pivot and turn and pitch out here. But in doing so, his left guard, Andre Jackson, is going to pull, and Falco is going to hit him with the ball right in the back. Right? Then it's going to flop around the ground here. Here's going to come Cochran. He's going to come across. He's going to kick it. Franklin's going to pick it up. Franklin's going to get hit right here. The ball's going to go flying in here. And then here comes Falco. He's going to pick it up. And the guy who started the play, Falco, is going to end.
That's how she kills a mouse. She sits on it and scratches with her hind legs.
She's
She's such an awkward cat.